Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fold a pocket square. In this video, I'll be going over what is called the 4-point fold. Very simple fold, easy to memorize instructions. You can do it easily, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. So what you want to do is you want to start off with your pocket square in a diamond formation. Right? So I'm trying to do this in the air, but you can have a square formation or you can have a diamond formation. Basically, your pocket square is a square, but if you bring one of the corners to the top, you now have a diamond formation. It's going to look something like that. You have the diamond formation. Now, what you want to do is you want to start off by bringing your bottom corner, and you want to bring it up, but instead of meeting it directly at the top corner, you're going to bring it slightly to the right. So it's going to look something like this. Your bottom corner has come up slightly to the right. That's what it's going to look like so far. I'm going to lay it down flat. As you can see right here, and I know the lighting might not be the best, but you're getting a really good idea. It looks sort of like a triangle. Now I'm going to take my left corner, bring it up, and when I bring it up, let's bring this closer. When I bring it up, I'm landing slightly to the right of the other two corners. You're left with something that looks like this. We're going to do the same thing with the right corner. So this is going to be the right corner. We're going to bring it up, and it's going to land slightly to the left of the other corners, just like that. And make sure that it's all at the same height, roughly. This is what your 4 points are going to look like. Now, what we need to do next is we need to fold this so that it actually fits in the pocket, because right now, this will not fit in the pocket, obviously. So we're going to take this. We're going to take the left side. I'm going to bring it in just like that, a little bit, just like that. Take the right side, bring it in, just like that, okay? Now I'm going to take the bottom. I'm going to fold it either behind or in front. I'm going to go with behind for this one. And as you can see right here, this is your 4-point fold. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like right here in your pocket. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Simple fold, can be used for pretty much any situation, whether you're going in for a business meeting or whether you're just going to a casual party or just heading into work for a regular work day. The 4-point fold is super easy to do, easy to memorize, and I've gone over it with you in this video tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.